Welcome back. This is your entertainment update. I'm Andrea Fernandez. The Tonight Show with Jay Leno will see its final episode tonight after a 25-year run. And with it, the show is coming full circle. Leno will mark the occasion by bringing back his very first guest, Billy Crystal.
My heart beats like a hammer, and I stutter and I stammer, 'cause you're now the new host of The Tonight Show.
Garth Brooks and other surprise guests will stop by to say their final goodbyes. Leno will exit the stage for the last time tonight, making room for 39-year-old late-night host Jimmy Fallon. Woody Allen's stepson Moses Farrow has come to his defense. Allen's stepdaughter Dylan Farrow said in an open letter to the New York Times on Saturday that the Oscar winner sexually abused her as a child. Moses and Dylan were adopted by Woody Allen and his former partner, actress Mia Farrow. Farrow and Allen had a bitter public separation after she discovered he was having a relationship with her adopted daughter, Soon-Yi Pravin. Soon-Yi and Allen were later married and adopted their own children. Moses Farrow says his mother poisoned him and his sister Dylan against Allen and called the accusations a betrayal. Selena Gomez has left rehab after just 2 weeks of a 6-week treatment program. The 21-year-old actress and singer willingly checked herself into an Arizona rehab center for exhaustion. But TMZ reports the starlet was abusing alcohol, marijuana, and Ambien. TMZ says they believe Bieber may be at the root of the issue. Shocking. Gomez says she left early to attend the Sundance Film Festival screening of her new movie. She had planned to return to rehab after the festival, but did not. Clay Aiken says he doesn't want to be a politician, but he will be running for Congress as a Democrat in North Carolina. The almost winner of American Idol decided to take a break from singing and take a swing at politics. We have Aiken's campaign video.
For 8 months, we stayed in this living room and slept on a mattress on the floor. A tarp hung around the bed for privacy. I'm Clay Aiken, and I don't remember that time.
Well, Clay, we wish you the best, and if you can't help people through politics, you always have your music. And that's your entertainment update. Back to you in the studio.
That's all for Humber News for today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mark McKelvey.
And I'm today's Yastrebski. We'll see you next time.